Let's figure out the difference between Rima and Rigo. Rigo tayo. Osaka, Japan, to Japan, Yuki. I went to a Filipino store just now and I bought a lot of things and I found two things. Two sardines. Rima and Rigo. How do you call this one? I'm not sure how to call Rima and Rigo. Anyway, I love sardines. I love cans in the Philippines. Maslami Filipino cans. Kaisa Japanese producto. Lami kayo. But I'm not sure the difference. This time, let's figure out which is delicious. Okay, let's go. Let's open it. Rima. Let's open. Yo! Okay. Tomato inside. Okay. Smells good. Smells like sardine. Smells like sardine and tomato. Let's open it on a plate. Okay. Wow. This is small. Okay. This is Rima. And the other one is Maligo. Let's open.
Hello, motherfucker.
Open. Yeah. Sure. Same color. And tomato flavor is strong. It's little fishy because this is fish. This is also, but this smells like more tomato. And color is similar. But Rigo is more dark. Let's try. Okay, found it. And this is a little big. Broken. This is a little softer. I open it. Okay, Rigo and Rima. Let's just taste it. Rigo is soft. Ramen oil. Maslami kaisa Japanese. Rami kayo. And inside is like this. This is Rigo. Rami kayo. Sobrang masarap. Okay. I feel a little tomato. And sardine. Okay, the other one, Rima. Let's go. Okay, go. What is 5 in Filipino?
In Filipino, that's lima. Anything else you want me to translate?
No need. Rima. Let's have Rima. Little harder. This is a little harder. Smells fish. Same. Tastes like same. Color is a little different. This is Rigo and Rima, and this is a little darker. Tastes the same. I don't feel the difference. Which is expensive. I'll buy cheaper one. Maybe Rigo is more cheaper, I guess. And Rima is small sardines, but this is bigger. See the difference? This is Rigo and Rima. And color is little. This side is little red, little bit. Almost the same. This is little yellow. Looks the same. Once again, let's have. I don't feel the difference. The other one. Rima is softer. That's it. But smell is.
What the dog doing?
Smell is the same. No difference. Rima is just softer. Both delicious. How about ingredients? Sardine, tomato sauce, cornstarch, and sugar, and salt, and pepper. Sugar, salt. Ingredients are almost the same, but Rigo has cornstarch and peppers. Same. Tastes same. How about the sauce? I use a spoon. Rima. Tomato sauce and Rigo. Same. I can't detect the difference. This is the same. Eh? Same. Both delicious. Okay, salamat sa pagtaon sa akong video. Next video is cooking something. Let's cook another thing. Okay, so stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye. Maligaw, maligaw, kay baho kayo ko. Maligaw, maligaw, pero walay manyo sa balay. Pistiyawa putang ina mo. Maligaw tayo. Anyways.